What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. And the Nothing Phone 1 pre-booking has been started on flipkart.com and it's starting for 2000 rupees of pre-booking amount. Now not only that, the launch date of the Nothing Phone 1 has also been announced and the phone is launching on 12th of July, and here are its official specifications, what you can expect from the smartphone. Now talking about it, then the phone starting off with a display, then it will be coming with a 6.55 inch of a Full HD Plus OLED panel, and it will be coming with a 90 Hz of a high refresh rate. Now if you are wondering about the 120 Hz, then it might be disappointing for you. Now processor is going to be the latest one and it's going to be a Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 chipset, and it will be coupled with up to 8 GB of RAM, and the base storage will be starting from 128 GB up to 256 GB storage variant. On the camera side, a dual camera setup will be present in this smartphone, and it will be a 50 megapixel of a primary camera, another ultra wide camera, and the front camera will be of 32 megapixels front selfie camera. Now not only that, the Mukul Sharma has also been confirmed that this smartphone will indeed be coming with a multiple variants, and not only that, we can also see Nothing Ear 2 earphones, which is the second generation of the Nothing earphones. Now the other thing about this smartphone is that about the price, then this phone is expected to be launched around to be at 25 to 30,000 rupees in India, and it will also come with the IP68 water resistance and dust resistance. Not only that, the wireless charging support and the transparent back with philosophy which has been introduced by Nothing in the Nothing Ear 1. Now if you like this video, then do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you will never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one.